Amalanga ambalwa adlulileko kube malanga abudisi ebantwini abayi-6 million abafumana isibonelelo sikarhulumende ngamakarida wesasa asarulana. Kabanye akhange ingene imali emakarideni abo ngesikhathi esifaneleko. Lokho kwabenza bakhulula ziinhloko njengombana balungiselela ukuvulwa kweenkolo nje.
The issue with the beneficiaries coming to the gold card started in November, where the gold card members, when they went for the children's grant, and some of them, the balance did show, and when they tried to pull it, no money came out. But when they went to the retailers, they were told that the money were withdrew already, and they had to fill in forms so they could get the money back. And SASSA said that there was some cyber attack or something on Post Bank, and that is the reason why they never got their money.
I-Post Bank iba ukulitshalela yathi ihlelo labo lokusebenza selibuyile liyasebenza nanyana kuneentshijilo zokuphepha ezivela ngaphandle nje.
We do apologize for the beneficiaries, the 6 million plus beneficiaries that are using the SASSA Gold Card.
Njengoba i-Post Bank ifunana neensombululo zomraro lo, i-Pay the Grant South Africa ithi abanye abantu abafumana isibonelelo sikarhulumende sema-350 akhange bafumana imali yabo yenyanga unobayini. Nakusenjalo, i-Post Bank ikhombela abantu abafumana isibonelelo bona bangazilaleli iinkulumo ezithi ikarada elisarulana lesasa lizokutjhugululwa. Sekuyokurholwa godu ngomhla ka-3 kuMhlolanja kuzokuthonywa ngabantu abadala bese kulandela ezinye iimbonelelo.